Hello everyone, today we will talk about carbonyl compounds, naming, preparation, and reduction. Carbonyl compounds are compounds that contain the functional group C-double bond O. The two main classes of carbonyl compounds are aldehydes, where the carbon in the carbonyl group is connected to carbon atom from one side and the hydrogen atom at the end of the carbon chain. Aldehydes are formed from the oxidation of primary alcohols. The second class of carbonyl compounds is ketone, where the carbon in the carbonyl group is attached to two carbon atoms. Ketones are formed from the oxidation of secondary alcohols. Let's see how we can name carbonyl compounds. For aldehydes, first we number the carbons from the carbonyl group to the longest carbon chain. Second, we replace the E in the parent alkane with Al. Let's name this compound. It has 4 carbon atoms. The parent alkane is butane. Notice we numbered the carbon atoms from the side of the carbonyl group. The second carbon is attached to methyl group. We write the number of the carbon atom that carries the side chain, which is 2. Then we name the side chain methyl, followed by the parent alkane butane. We drop the E and replace it with Al. So we have 2-methyl-butanal. Now let's move to name ketones. For naming ketones, first we number the longest carbon chain from the nearest side to the carbonyl group. Second, we replace the E of the parent alkane with ONE. Let's name this compound. First, we number the carbon atoms from the side nearest to the carbonyl group. We have 4 carbon atoms. The parent alkane is butane. The third carbon is attached to methyl group. We write the number of the carbon atom that carries the side chain, which is 3, and the name of the side chain, methyl, followed by the parent alkane, butane. We drop the E and replace it with ONE. So we have 3-methyl-butanone. Aldehydes and ketones can be prepared from the oxidation of alcohols. First, for aldehydes, they can be prepared from the oxidation of primary alcohols using strong oxidizing agent. In this reaction, you can see the oxidation of the primary alcohol, propanol, results in the formation of propanal and water. In the oxidation of primary alcohols, the strong oxidizing agent, potassium dichromate, is used to oxidize the carbon adjacent to the hydroxyl group. The orange color of the dichromate ions, Cr2O7, changes to the green color of chromium ions. The aldehydes have to be distilled off once they are formed. Otherwise, further heating would oxidize aldehydes into carboxylic acids. Aldehydes have lower boiling point than the corresponding alcohols, so they can be separated easily. The oxidation of secondary alcohols forms ketones. The same method used in the oxidation of primary alcohols is used to oxidize the secondary alcohols. The oxidation of 2-propanol with a strong oxidizing agent results in the formation of acetone and water. One difference between the preparation of aldehydes and ketones: ketones don't have to be distilled out because they don't further oxidize. The reverse process of oxidation is reduction. Reducing aldehydes and ketones produces alcohols. The aqueous alkaline solution of either sodium tetrahydrodoporate or lithium tetrahydrodoaluminate is used to reduce ketones and aldehydes. Ethanol is reduced to the corresponding alcohol, ethanol, and propanone is reduced to the corresponding alcohol, propantool. Our next video will be about the addition across the carbonyl group.